Well, day 2 on the job. So let's have a quick little look while we're doing our hazard assessment. These two. So the wires are right there. Then the wires run right down there. There's the pole right here. So they come in and then they run down. I've got to go up this one and take that dead branch off the wire. That back snag, I can fall right in here in the opening. This one, I'll have to go up and take a couple of pieces off and then fall that right in here. All right, let's get up there. Let's get up and take some of this old cuss off. More inches. I'll get on that back side. Yeah, see if I can just fall that top, the apex, see the apex of the wires are right there. So I'll go up another 5 feet and knock that top in there. I've got to miss the roof. Well, I got to go up this little one. See the wires are right there. So I'll clean some of this stuff off the side. I got the top off of that big one there. And I'm just going to fall the stub, pile it up all over there. I've got one more big one down there, but my wrist is toast. So with that one, there's a whole pile of limbs that should be hand bombed into a drop zone, and I just don't think that my wrist will take it. So I've got some excavation to do, so I'm going to bring a little mini down there and I'm going to fall it from the ground but put the excavator behind it just to give it a push so it'll come up this way. All right, let's get up and get this done. Up this little skinny balsam fir. Yeah, you know, it's funny. No, it's not really funny, but when you're not on your game, every little thing hurts. What do we got here? I got up a little further yet. I don't know which one is the best way to put you guys. Let's clean a little bit of this off. should be just taken down, but he wanted to keep it. The spike marks won't do it any good. Up there a little bit yet. Let's see. I can work this. Yes, sirree, Bob. My wrist is toast. I'm pushing 70 years old and it's hard on the body. What do we got here? What do we got here? Oh, I gotta get these ones down. Let's see, get on the other side there. Get a better view. Hang off that old birch. A little more handsaw work. Yeah, you can see over there where the other one was. Gonna bring that up. This is quite comfortable up here. Let's clean a little bit off. Oh. Let's just hang in there. Pretty skinny up here now. Okay, what do we got? we got? A little bit of junk on the wires. I need to get around a little more. Oh yeah, the back is right in here, right in the birch. That's comfortable. That's what I wanted. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, okay. Let's get down this little gin pole. I'd love to be able to do the other one, but pain. You know, it's when you're up against the wires and you got to cut and you got to hold it and cut and then hand bomb it. That's a little bit too much. And I've got another job to get at tomorrow. Another job to get at tomorrow. And another job the next day, and then I might need to finish this off. This week, next week. See, there's my last one here, the one to the right. And it's an easy climber. And it's not as bad as I guess I thought, because there's a nice drop zone in behind it. But I'd only take so many of those limbs off the side, and they could fall right down there to the right of it. And then I get up there, 10 feet from the top, 15 feet from the top, and then just fall that top right down in here. The wires are well over there. I think that's the way that I'm going to do it. I'm still going to bring the Mini in, but if I fall the whole tree down the back, considerable disturbance there to that advanced regen. So once my wrist, I'll give myself a day or two, and then I'll climb it and then just bring that stuff down here. So the brush crew will probably begin this week a little later. They gather up all the brush. My job is just to get the trees down, and I pile it up, pile the brush there. Then they come and they take it away, and I sort out a few logs for them. Try to do the least amount of disturbance. This one right here fell right down that way. Didn't hit the light. That's electrical on that light. I had to take a couple of maple and yellow birch. This big one in there, I fell it in behind. Got 3 logs, old logs out of it, in behind the rhododendron. You know, you can't miss everything, but that's the least of the disturbance, you know, that grows back. I've got to tug that one out and get that down. That's probably when I come down with the excavator. I'm going to be working the ditch right here. So I'll just reach up. All this wood is going to be cut so I can work the ditch. And I'll tug that out and put it all in the brush pile for the brush crew. Yeah, when your body is hurting, you know, I just got over some serious back injury, and then there's the fur that I just did, and then this wrist from the motorcycle accident, and I gaffed out this year. You know, I beat myself up pretty bad. I got to pay attention to that. It's taken a lot out of me. And if I'm not doing tree work, I seem to be doing motorcycle stuff, so I got to give this some serious thought about recovery time.